Hey guys, as you may know, I really like 3D printing. After I moved to my new apartment, I print a lot of things for home improvement, and today I decided to print something to hold these gloves. They drive me crazy because I don't have much spaces with the magnetic surface, and always when I want to use my oven, they fall down. The oven handle is only one place where I can put them. So let's make some hook for them to place it somewhere around the oven. I have to copy the shape of this bar because it's not just like rounded or square, but you can see little chamfer from the side. So let's make the measurements. When I got all measured, I open it Fusion 360 and remodel the handlebar and made some test print for clearance. After test print, I just test the fit and go straight to remodel the hook because everything was okay. I printed this part from PLA, but like a solid part, no infill. The heat from the oven isn't that big to melt it out. So let's put it on and test the concept. I made a double hook so I can hang gloves like this. Okay, at this point I need to clean this mess. Because I really like the clean place, I can focus on my work. And now I have to accomplish some things for my client. It should be some printable documents. I'm usually doing that in Canva because it's pretty easy and I have a bunch of assets. Okay, this one checked. Now before I go to making this video, I need some coffee, but I don't have any at my home, so little trip to mall is needed. Okay, let's make this video. It took me something around 1.5 hours to cut it. And now just upload it. If you like it, hit subscribe, like and comment. See ya!